So now let's go over a couple useful tips. Have you ever seen a hashtag? You know, the number sign looking thing? Well, hashtagging is a great way to tag your content. So let's say you do a post on Instagram and it's a post about real estate technology. I'm gonna hashtag pound real estate technology. I'm gonna hashtag Miami life. I'm gonna hashtag maybe the local community that I'm targeting. You know, all these different hashtags, they basically let people know that these are the different topics that you're posting about, but it also allows them to search by that hashtag. So if I search hashtag real estate technology, I'm gonna see all the relevant posts that have real estate technology. This is a great way for you to get additional exposure, right? Well, I live in Miami, so a lot of people hashtag Miami life. Now, if you go search Miami life on Instagram, it's amazing all the photos that you find of people just enjoying Miami. They're out on the boat, out on the beach, having a good time. So this is a great way to get reach and get out in the community. Maybe you want to hashtag your local town if it's a listing, let's say in Port Washington, New York, right? Maybe you want to hashtag a real estate company, right? The company that you work for, to let people know and see all the posts that have come up for that company. Hashtagging is a great tool, and you probably want to do at least a few hashtags. I mean, they recommend around 15 hashtags, okay? So create nice posts, create good content, create hashtags, and in the next video, we're gonna talk about some other useful tips. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all this, so please comment below and let us know.